In this video, we will be seeing the use of static keyword in Java program. So how to use static program and why is used for, we will be seeing today in this video. So static is a keyword which when used with variable or method, then that method or variable is not bounded with objects. The static members are not bounded with objects because they are given memory only once. They will use a single memory throughout the program which is given initially to them. So static members, we can say, use same memory throughout the program. Static members are not bounded with objects. They are given memory they are allotted memory only once in starting, and the same memory will be used throughout the program. So we can say, and the same is used throughout program. So static members, it can be variable or method or a block, will be not bounded with objects. So static members are not bounded with objects. They are given memory only once in starting, and the same memory is used throughout the program. So this is about static members and how to declare a member as static. So member can be declared as static by using the static keyword. So when a variable, if you want to declare a variable as static at the time of variable declaration, suppose I am writing here int a equal to 10. So this is a variable declaration. Here a is the variable of type integer. So a is the variable of type integer. Now if you want to declare this variable as static, then you will be just using the static keyword here, and keywords in Java will contain all lowercase letters in them, no uppercase letters. So static keyword followed by the variable declaration. Now this a is not bounded with objects. To use a, you need not create an object of the class. You can directly use a. So static members are not bounded with objects, the first thing, and whatever memory is allotted at the time of declaration to static member, the same memory it uses throughout the program. And if you have a member function or method in your program, like suppose I have void display, inside which I will write some single statement like system.out.println, I suppose. So if this is a member function, void is a return type. And to declare this member function as static, again, you will be using static keyword. So this function is now static method or member function, which is not again bounded with objects. Directly, you can call it with its method name to execute it. And let's see this examples in a Java program. Now, first I will be using a normal variable int a equal to 100. Now let's see how to print it. So for printing this, if you want to print this, if I write just a, it will be giving me error. So change a to static or create new instance of object. So if I create an object for class, so the class in which it is present is student. So I'm creating here O object for the class student, And using this object, I will have to access the class member A like this. But if you do not want to use this object with this variable, if you don't want to use object like this, here we are getting error. To avoid this error, you should declare it as static. So if I declare static, it can be as it is used. Now suppose it is in some other class like class A I am here using. Now let's keep this member. I will cut it from here, place it in other class here A. Now again you are getting error because it is now present in other class. So it is not bounded with object still. So we need not create this class object. But if it is present in other class, you can just use that class name along with the member name. So the static members can be accessed directly with the class names in which they are present. If it is in the same class in which it is called or used, then in that you need not mention the class name also. But if it is in different class, then you should mention the class name along with the member. So with the class name, you will be accessing the static member. Same with a method. If there is a method void display, which will be displaying, suppose system.out.println, and in this I will be taking just a string hi. Now if you want to print this hi, here if I am suppose a.display if I am doing, I will not be able to access it. I need to create an object. I cannot access it with the class name. So to avoid object creation, I can just make it static. Now I am able to access it. So that is static data member and static member function or method in Java program. So more about static keyword, we will be seeing examples in detail. Here we have seen just static data member and static member function, and class cannot be static in Java. So more about static on constructors and blocks we will be seeing in the coming videos. So please do subscribe the channel for more updates on Java topics and also other computer programming languages. So thank you for watching and please do subscribe channel.